How to amend a tax return in Drake software. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can file amended tax return in Drake software. Now, if the original return was prepared in Drake software, you want to open the return on the tax software. Now, open the X screen and consent to auto-filing the original return values. If the original return wasn't prepared using the software, you will have to create the return first before opening the X screen. Now, manually complete any fields on the lower half of the X view and go to the View/Print display of the 1040X document to identify where to apply the changes. Then you want to exit View mode and execute the changes in the document in data entry. Return to the View mode to compare forms 1040X and 1040 to ascertain if the changes are correct. The 1040X is treated as an attachment to the corrected form. Once done with the changes, you want to go to EF and select 1040X's checkbox to indicate that the form will be e-filed. Then on, you want to follow the on-screen instructions to update your PIN and signature dates and complete the submission to IRS. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.